Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my new YouTube video. In today's video I want to be sharing with you how I make my oat. It's a simple recipe that I do like almost every day. That's like my favorite breakfast. It's easy, it doesn't take more than 5 minutes. It's just some boiling milk and add quaker oats. So that's what I'll be doing today. But before I start this video, I want to be asking kindly the newcomers or new people to my channel to kindly consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm having a lot of recipes and videos about my hair, about workout that are coming in few days. So in today's video I'll be making the oatmeal with milk. This is the milk I'll be using. It's just low fat milk. I'll be using quaker oats, yeah, because it's just oatmeal. And then I'll be using this is a serving bowl, and then I'll be topping my oatmeal with banana and chia seeds. So that's it. Let's now start. That's like, also like I've said in my previous video, this is like oatmeal is the most filling like food. Like if you take it in the morning at 7 a.m. you can reach at 12 without being so hungry and you still feel full. So if you want also to try another new breakfast, you can try oatmeal. I know like many people like to take bread and tea, but me, I like to change my breakfast so that I don't get tired. So let's go. So I'll be using like 1 glass of milk. So I'm just measuring the 1 glass of milk. Then I will add that glass of milk into my pan. That's 1 glass of milk. After 1 glass of milk, I'm going to go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of oatmeal. So I'll be adding my 3 tablespoons of oatmeal. Just 2 and 3. After adding the 3 spoons of oatmeal, that's now the time you have to mix them together. Please try to use a spoon which is not going to spoil your pan. So I'm going to be using this one, yeah, just to mix. Just let them boil before you serve them. And also, if you have a pan which I like to burn food, just put it on a low heat. Me, I've put on the highest on the highest level of it, because it's a non-stick pan. It's okay, it's not going to stick at the bottom of the pan. But if you have the pan which burnt food, just put it on a low heat. It's going to boil and it's going to be okay. Yeah, just waiting for it to boil. Now you can see that it's ready. You know, I've told you like 3 spoons are enough. You see, in 1 glass of milk, if you put 3 spoons, it's going to be so thick. So Don't put too much, and after it gets cooled down, it's going to be very thick. And so now that's the time to serve it into my bowl. You can see now its texture. It just looks good. It's not that very much thick. Also, let's go and serve it. See, I've taken like 1 minute without putting into a bowl, and now it's now became very thick. So no waste of food. I have to finish all of this. You see, now that's like enough breakfast for one person. And now I'm going to be topping it with a banana and chia seed. Here I can tell, like, some people like to add sugar or salt, but me, I prefer just oatmeal without sugar or salt. And I add milk. I add the banana. The banana make it sugary, so that's why I add the banana instead of adding sugar, honey, or salt. So, and I will be taking a little chia seed, like a teaspoon. And so now my oatmeal is ready. Now you can eat or take your breakfast just in 5 minutes. It's just very easy. It's a very easy breakfast to make when, like, you don't have time in the morning. That's like a go breakfast or a very fast breakfast that you can make at home. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the new subscribers. I've seen, like, my subscribers are just increasing in number, so thank you guys. Thank you very much. So let me go and enjoy my breakfast. See you in my next video. Bye bye.